James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're tying an absolutely gorgeous brand new Fendi tie that I just got in 2 days ago. I'm excited about tying this up. It's a very classic looking tie. If you know anything about me, I like the classic diagonal stripes. To me, this is just a classic tie. Excuse me. It is made by Fendi, which obviously is a very high-end Italian brand. Out of Rome, but they make an absolutely beautiful tie. Quality-wise, it's in line. I would say, from a quality standpoint, Fendi ties range from anywhere from like a Canali to Ferragamo, somewhere in that range. I wouldn't compare them to the upper echelon like the Kitons and Stefano Ricci's and stuff as far as quality and construction, but a very good tie and a very classic tie. I would compare Fendi a lot to Giorgio Armani, and they make a classic looking tie. But I think Fendi makes a little bit better product than Armani. That's just my opinion based upon tie, and I own several of each of them. This particular tie, though, the silk lies very nice. It's not a very thick tie. I have a couple Fendi ties that are a little bit thicker than this, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love that look. So we're going to pair that today. It's a blue tie. I should say it's a blue tie with a little light purple diagonal stripe and a white stitched stripe going across, and that is stitched in. So you've got a silk fill with white stitching going across. We're pairing that with a light purple shirt today and a charcoal gray suit. I think it's going to come together real nice. I'm not knocking on Fendi. I think they make a great product. I just give honest reviews here. Everything. No one pays me to do this. I buy all these ties and suits and everything myself out of my pocket, so I give honest reviews on it all. Because it's a thin tie, it's a very thin silk actually. It feels very, very lightweight down at the bottom here. We're not going to need a lot of slack. I'm thinking probably right around this range here, similar to a Ferragamo, maybe a little bit less. Doesn't have a lot of length here. We'll see how that comes to play here in just a little bit. But we take the long part of the tie over top of the short part. Then we come behind, up, and through. Then we come around behind again, keeping everything nice and tight. Then we go up, over, down, and through. Now we call this a checkpoint. This is where I want to make sure my triangle's coming, and I just tidy up, make sure everything, what I'm doing here, in case you're wondering, is I make sure everything's flat. Everything's flat against each other. Then I'm going to take the tie out over top again, creating a little pocket here, behind and through. Then we're going to push the tie down through that pocket we just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie through. Now we make our final adjustments on the knot. We're going to turn the sides down a little bit, hold on to the knot and pull the long part. What that's going to do is tighten up our knot, and this knot's going to come real nice and tight. See how, look at that perfect little triangle there. Then we hold the knot and we pull the shorter part and we bring it up to our neck. And then we want to check for our length. We want the tip of the tie, that's this part right here, to come somewhere between the top and the bottom of our belt buckle. And this one's coming, it looks like, just past top. So let me show you a secret you can do. You can take and hold the knot and pull on the long part of the tie. And boom, I just added a little bit of length. Now we're at the middle of the belt buckle. So let's pull the collar down. Let's see how this all comes together here. We'll tidy everything up. I absolutely love this tie. Great product. Fendi does make a good product. Not saying anything negative against them. Beautiful ties. I mean, all my Fendi ties, I think I have 3 or 4. They're all very classy looking. Very, very classy looking ties. Now we're going to just tidy this up. We want the knot to be symmetrical right in the middle of that collar. And we don't want any gapping right here. So we're going to just tidy this up just a little tiny bit here. Look at that. Perfect triangle, symmetrical. Everything came together really nice. Absolutely gorgeous tie. Now, the look is going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen. I'm going through it with you right now. So today we're wearing an Emerna Gildo Zegna suit. It is charcoal gray. Absolutely gorgeous Zegna suit. Of course, it was altered to me. It fits me really nice. I like how it hugs me. Love this suit. We're pairing that today with a light purple, kind of a lavender look, Brooks Brothers shirt. Went Brooks Brothers today with the shirt. The tie is a Fendi, very classy looking Fendi dark blue with some purple and white stripes throughout it. We're pairing that today with a black Salvatore Ferragamo belt with a gold belt buckle and a gorgeous red sole pair of Christian Louboutin Gregor Oxfords. These are some of the best looking Oxfords I've ever seen. I absolutely fell in love with them when I saw them. My first pair of Christian Louboutins, and I'm a fan, so good job, Christian Louboutin. Love the look. If you want to see more, check out my Instagram. It's Tie Guy James Akers. There'll be close-ups of the shoes, the belt, the whole outfit staged right here on this wall. You'll also see selfies of me. You'll see close-ups of the knot and close-ups of the tie, so you can really see the texture and the geometric patterns and everything that are in the tie. So check out my Instagram. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and click like. I really appreciate that. I do this all for you to try to help you guys dress for success better. As for me, I am ready for work.